Wait and see what happens next. I had to watch it 3 times to believe it. At first I thought the camera was malfunctioning, but no. This animal simply has a mind of its own. Stay tuned until the 10-minute mark. That's when it gets really absurd.
It's my damn dog. That's my dog. Can you? Can you not do that, Xena? Xena, do not get on the horn. Get in the back. Don't do that. I'll be right back.
Alarm is going off. She just called me, freaked out. Oh my God, Titan. Oh my God. Titan, what'd you do? Bear. Titan.
Don't bite, it stinks. Get it off of me. No. No. I said no. Skylar! Skylar can't breathe. Ah.
It never gets old. Ever.
If you could promise me 2 more doozies, I would take them in a heartbeat. Pugs are so...
Oh, he's really going all down.
Don't consider tonight, sir. Hey. Hey. Don't even think about it, Mr. Sir. Texas. Texas? Really? You took it all?
I can't zoom in. Okay. Oh!
Why are you doing this?
Well, Dan, it's a good thing you came into my office today, because it looks like you got quite a bit of cavities in here.
Listen.
Spirits download their files into my operating system.
Oh, are you serious? It's right here. Look. Touching you. No, over here. And on it.
You might be a spoiled pig when Daddy holds the umbrella for you in the rain. She had to go pee-pee.
Она может.
Руслан!
Оля, блин. Да все. Что все? Уже ничего не сделаешь. Уже все.
Azalea, get back in this yard.
Now I'm lying on the cold, hard ground. Oh, oh, troubled, troubled, troubled.
Oh my God. Get down.
Get him.
Get down. Get down.
Don't make him jump. Don't make him jump. Don't make him jump. I just. Sunny. I'm sorry, Mom. I scared you. Are you? You're not eating.
Clark, do you have my water bottle? Can I have it, please? I drop it.
You little pat him, are you? You're going to give him a little high five, are we? They're coming in for the face. What are you going to do? And again. Nothing. You can't freeze when a burglar comes into the house. Let's go. What are you going to do? They're in your face. What are you going to do?
Just go scratch me.
Oh, it's so cute.
You feel that strongly about it?
Chris, are you gonna grab some chocolate?
Yeah.
No, you're not.
Oh.
That's Minnow's chocolate.
Zostań Rambo.
So somebody left a water hose dripping on a dock, and the manatees are up here just drinking away. There's another one right down there. They're pretty docile.
What's up, buddy? Hey, I don't have any food. Are you me?
Free.
Now, like, you be nice. That's Daddy's friend. Let him pet you.
Okay.
Get in. Yeah. Yeah. Mochi, go around. Go around. Oh. Try again.
Good boy.
zone.